The giant otter is the largest species of otter, reaching lengths of up to growing up to 6 feet long. They feed on fish as a major food source and consume between 6 and 10 pounds of fish a day. Marmosets are very small size and highly active, living in the upper canopy of forest trees and feeding on insects, fruit, leaves, tack, sap, and gum. The coati is an agile, fruit-loving, meat-eating insectivore and an opportunistic omnivore that is as at home in the trees as it is snuffling along the forest floor. Jaguars are the third largest cat in the world. Their fur is usually tan or orange with black spots, with most weighing between 150 pounds and 250 pounds. However, their size varies by region. The green anaconda is the largest snake in the world when both weight and length are considered. It can reach a length of 30 feet and weigh up to 550 pounds. Milk frogs. Amazon milk frogs are an arboreal species that lives high in the canopy of the rainforest. Their vocalizations commonly heard at dusk and dawn. About the toucans. Toucans are tropical arboreal birds from the family Ramphastidae, renowned for their large, lightweight, and brightly colored bills used to reach fruit, manipulate food. Araucaries. They are sexually dimorphic birds, meaning males and females exhibit some differences in appearance. These birds have a brightly colored red, yellow, and blue bill. Sloths are slow-moving, tree-dwelling mammals native to Central and South American rainforests, known for spending nearly their entire lives hanging upside down. With extremely low metabolisms, they sleep up to 20 hours a day and move very little. The scarlet macaw is a large, vibrant neotropical parrot known for its brilliant red, yellow, and blue plumage. They inhabit the canopy, feeding on fruits, nuts, and seeds.